way to cross it. No way to cross it. How am I going to cross it? I just walked past it and you won't even see my footstep that was supposed to be here. Okay. Gotta be very careful. So guys, in this video I'm going to share a little bit of the struggle that we usually face in Canada. Okay, so the groceries, or rather the dishes that I had, they finished, so I had to refill. And it is a snowstorm, unfortunately, and you see the parking lot here is filled. But here are a few tips. So this is Heartland. This is basically Mississauga, and you would know if you're in the area where Heartland is. Otherwise, when you're coming to Mississauga, when you're living in Mississauga or Brampton or Oakville, you can always come to Heartland. And then there is this place called Al Kebab. I highly recommend it. And then in this same market there are many places. You can see Desi Chaska there, which is for refreshments. You can see Silver Spoon there. Then in the other side of the plaza you can see, you cannot see, but there is Kadahi Boys as well. But I recommend Al Kebab. So it's only takeaway. So you should just come here and buy yourself anything that you want. I'll show you in the video as well. And after getting the takeaways, let me share how the real Canadian winters struggle looks like. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Thank you, good night. Okay, so it's crazy outside, and let me show you how real Canadian winter looks like. Wow, when you have to walk, and you have to go grab your bus. Well, not grab your bus, literally ride your bus. So I'm going to show you the footpath because I just walked from this, and I thought that maybe I should show you this. This is the footpath, supposed to be the footpath. Okay, and you will see if you've ever walked in a desert, then this snow is just like sand. It's just like that, because in Pakistan we have this a big desert called Thar, and the same desert goes into India as well, which is called Thar. Okay, basically the same desert, and you have sand dunes in a desert. If you go to Dubai and you go on a desert safari, then you'll see similar sand dunes, and there is this snow dune coming up right in my way. And so I mean, people will tell you that once you're in Canada everything is settled. Well, I tell you from experience that the real struggle starts after you land. Okay, now this is the sand dune that I was talking about, and this is maybe 2 feet. So there was this old snow, and then it started snowing again today. It's a snowstorm basically. And when I left in the morning, it was nice and sunny. It was nice and sunny. And even during my lunch break in my office, it was fine. Now look at this sand dune. There's no way to cross it. No way to cross it. How am I going to cross it? I just walked past it and you won't even see my footstep that was supposed to be here. Okay. Gotta be very careful. So I did check the weather before leaving the house today. So I'm not wearing my warmers under my jeans. but it's fine. It's not that cold. Well, it is cold for the people without motivation. I have mountains of motivation, so I'm not worried about the weather. So if you ask me, why do you have a mountain of motivation? Well, once you will have kids, you will know why are you motivated to do what you do. So my bus stop is right across the road, and I'm really hoping, because I cannot walk fast in the snow. I cannot walk faster than how I'm walking right now, right? And my bus stop is right across the road, and I'm really hopeful that I get to. My footsteps were there, but they're gone now. It used to be a footpath, not anymore for 2 days. So let's go and cross the road. This is signaling right, so I don't have a signal to cross to this side of road, so I'll just have to wait. And probably I should cross because the light is green. So it means that my side of signal was just white. Now it's counting 18 seconds, so I have like 15 seconds to cross the road. Nobody will come and drive on me. Okay, 6 seconds, and yes, I crossed the road. Now this is the bus stop. Oh wow, how will I go inside? And this is where the bus is supposed to come from. Okay, so I'm inside the bus stop. This is how Canadian bus stops typically are: covered from all sides, open from one door's end. But the bad thing about it is, let me show you actually. You see the bottom part? That's uncovered. That's uncovered. So if you're not wearing snow boots, or maybe you'll see snow on my face, I'm not sure. So if you're not wearing snow boots, then your feet get real cold even inside the bus stops. So this is a side effect. Okay, now this is the Heartland, you could call it a shopping center, Heartland Shopping Center, Heartland Town Center. This is what it's called. It is on Britannia and Mavis. So this intersection right here, it is Britannia and Mavis. My bus is supposed to come. I'm not sure when it will come. Bus number 61. So this stop is only for bus number 61, which goes to Sheridan College in Brampton, and I will get off before Sheridan College. So with these words, this is Ali Iftikhar, and I'm hoping great things are coming your way even when you land in Canada.